Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to start with the syllabus for our last semester, or we can say second semester of standard 7. Lesson number 15, materials we use. This lesson number 15 onwards, 15, 16, 17, 18 till 20, we are having total 6 lessons for our second semester. Now, which materials we use in our day-to-day life? If I ask you this question, there will be n number of answers for this question, because the moment in the morning we got up from the sleep till we again go to sleep at night, we are using lot of things, lot of materials. Okay, means that's why I said the answer will be n number of materials we are using in our day to day life. But still in this lesson we are going to revise, or we are going to learn 2 to 3 materials that will give us idea how those materials are made and what are the uses of these materials, and based on that 2 to 3 examples we can imagine that how different materials are made and what are the different uses. First of all, we are going to discuss what is mean by natural and man-made materials. This is very simple question. Okay, and the answer for this, a very simple answer, what we can say, natural materials are the materials which we derive from the nature. They are called as natural material. In our day-to-day life we use lot of materials. Okay, they are called as natural materials that we derive from nature. Okay, and what are man-made materials? A new substances produced by the chemical processing of natural substance is called man-made substance. Okay, so in which context we are going to learn this lesson? Yes, we are going to learn this lesson in the context that materials which we derive from nature and they are not processed by a man. It's a natural material, and man-made material is a new substances produced by chemical processing. Now, we have seen that in our olden times in India, acacia bark, neem twigs, coal powder, ash, tooth powder, salt, pomegranate rind were used for cleaning teeth. Correct? Means for cleaning our teeth. These all. What is acacia bark? Acacia bark is nothing but the bark is derived from the plant acacia. Okay, that bark of that plant. Neem twigs, all of you might have, or some old grandparents must be at your home. You can ask them that in their own in their childhood what material they were using to clean their teeth. Okay, then some of them may answer that they were using neem twigs, some were using coal powder, some were using ash. Okay, so these, what are all these? These all were the things which in ancient days people were using to clean their teeth. However, today variety of toothpaste, if you switch on the TV, or if you go on your mobile or on a social media, you can see there are hundreds of advertisements will be there which will showcase the variety of toothpaste and tooth powders, or you can say toothbrush advertisement, in which the importance of toothpaste is highlighted. Correct? So today we are going to learn the first man-made material. Okay, that is called as the toothpaste. Yes, toothpaste is a material by which our very first, it's the first thing which we use in our morning. Okay, our day-to-day life or our daily life start with this material, that is toothpaste. So let us understand in short what is the toothpaste and how it is been made. What is its history? Standard 7, lesson number 15, part 2. Materials we use. This lesson we will continue with the study of the topic toothpaste. Toothpaste, as I told you in previous video also, is a man-made material by which we start our day. Daily in the morning, each and every one of us use the toothpaste to clean our teeth. Now, what are the principal ingredients of this toothpaste? Means what material this toothpaste is made up of? Okay, so the key ingredient, principal important ingredient is what? Calcium carbonate and calcium hydrogen phosphate. Okay, so these two important things, two important chemicals are present inside the toothpaste, and what do they do? They remove the dirt on teeth. Along with that, these ingredients polish the teeth. Okay, means whenever you clean your teeth with the toothpaste, you can feel that your not only your tooth or teeth become clean, they look white in color, or along with that, they are they look shiny also. Why? Because these ingredients polishes the teeth. Then a certain proportion of fluoride in the toothpaste helps to prevent tooth decay. Okay, so fluoride which is present in these toothpaste, they prevent the tooth decay. Whenever we eat something, the food particle gets stuck into our gaps of the teeth. Correct? Now, and if you don't clean our teeth regularly using toothpaste and toothbrush, these material, food particles, sticky material, they causes the tooth decay. Along with this prevention of tooth decay, this fluoride is also essential for the straightening of bones and the enamel covering of teeth. Correct? So, enamel covering, our tooth is having one covering, one protection layer. It is called as enamel. Okay, sometime it happens, now you are the small ones, so you might have not experienced, but sometimes the teeth become sensitive. Sensitive means what? Sensitivity means teeth are not decayed. So sometime when this layer of enamel is broken, the teeth become sensitive at that place, and that sensitivity means that teeth get pain. In our teeth there is a pain. We feel that it is decayed or what, but it's not a decaying, it's a breaking of enamel. So this protection of enamel is done by the fluoride. Correct? So these all ingredients are the key ingredients. Along with that, whenever we brush our teeth with the toothpaste, there is a lather formation, foam formation. Correct? Then different colors are added, different essences are added. And nowadays, in the advertisement, they are just some sparkles are added. Some are adding salt, some are adding lemon ingredients, so many things. Okay, as per the product, people are adding the extracts of different herbs or different fruits. But the key ingredients are what? Calcium carbonate, calcium hydrogen phosphate and fluoride. Means this has to be there. Now, there is some history regarding this toothpaste. In the period prior to 500 BC, in countries such as China, Greece, Rome, toothpaste was made by mixing the powder of bones and shells. And toothpaste, of which soap was ingredient, came into use in the 19th century. Okay, initially people were using only the shell powder, bone powder, but the lather formation, today which toothpaste which we are using, that came into existence in 19th century. Later on, toothpaste was made using a chalk-like material, and the first commercial toothpaste was made by a company Colgate in New York City in 1873. Correct? So this Colgate company, which today also it is existing, that was the first company to start the commercial toothpaste. Okay, the toothpaste today which we use, that was first made by the company Colgate, and that company was situated in New York City, and approximately in 1873 this toothpaste was made by this company. So this was all about the toothpaste. Okay, we don't have to go in detail the method and methodology. You just have to remember its ingredient. Okay, in our study it is only this much is included. So you can do, or you can take it as an activity. You have to note down the information given on tooth powder or toothpaste container or its box. Okay, now what you can do, whenever toothpaste is been brought at your home, you are supposed to pick up that carton, that box, okay, and read the information. What are those strips? Red strips, blue strips, green strips are there. What is the meaning? Okay, then what are the ingredients used in that toothpaste? So all that thing, it's your self study. Okay, everything will not be explained in a book. That some self study also has to be done. So this is one activity for you, that collect the different information which is given on the box of the toothpaste or tooth powders. So today we'll stop here with this topic. In next topic we are going to learn about the one more man-made material, and in our day-to-day life which we are using is detergent. That we will learn in next video. Lesson number 15, materials we use, part 3. In the previous videos, we have seen that the materials can be categorized as natural materials and man-made materials. We also have seen the meaning of the natural material and meaning of man-made material. And we have started learning some man-made materials, how they are discovered, what are their uses. In short, we are going to take information in this lesson. First part, we have learned the man-made material toothpaste. Today we are going to see the next man-made material, detergents. What do you mean by detergents? The word detergent is derived from the Latin word detergere. Okay, what do you mean by detergere? Yes, its meaning is to wipe away. Okay, so a detergent is a substance that cleans or wipes away dirt. Okay, so therefore detergent, in our day-to-day activities, whenever you switch on the TV, open the newspapers, open the social media, we can see the n number of detergents, n number of soaps advertisements are going on or continue on the channels. Okay, which are the different brands you know about of detergents or soaps? Yes, there are many are there. Okay, like Rin powder, Surf, Ariel, Nirma, then Tide. Many brands are available, and different kinds of detergents are available in market, and different soaps are also available. So, what is the basic purpose of this detergent? A basic purpose of the detergent is to clean or to wipe away dirt. Now, some of the examples of these detergents we can say: soap nut, soap pod, soap washing soda, washing powder, liquid soap, and shampoos. Okay, not only the washing powders which we were talking about, along with those. Okay, there are the different example of detergents. Which are those examples? First example, they have given it a soap nut. Okay, in our language, day-to-day language, we call it as Rita. Even if you don't know, your mother, if you ask your mothers, they will answer you, or they can give you the idea what is that Rita. It might be present at your home as well. Next is soap pod. It is shikekai. Okay, you might have heard in the advertisement that in herbal products they just tell give the information that this shampoo contains Rita, shikekai, amla and all that. Correct. So that shikekai, Rita or soap nut, what are those? Though they are natural detergents. Okay, they are acting as a soap. And next example of detergent is soap, then washing soda, then washing powders, okay, then liquid soap. Nowadays in our day-to-day life during pandemic of corona, continuous use of the hand wash is must. Okay, whenever you are coming back from the, even you are doing any, touching any object, after that outside object, what we do, we wash the hands with the hand wash. So that liquid soaps, hand wash, shampoos, all they are coming under the category detergents. So what is the function, and or in what mechanism, how they cleans away the dirt, how it wipe away the dirt, that we are going to talk about in our next video. Okay, now in part 4 we are going to learn how these detergents, how these soaps or shampoos actually acts. Okay, we are going to learn the action of detergents. Means whatever dirt is there, how it is cleaned, how it is wiped away, that we are going to discuss in this part. To understand this, we are going to learn one small experiment. In that experiment, what apparatus we have to take? Take a clean glass bottle, then take a water, oil, detergent, etc. Okay, then what we have to do? Take some water in a clean glass bottle and add some oil to it. Okay, now whenever we add oil to the water, you know it very well that there is a formation of layer. Okay, layer of oil. Oil layer will be formed and it will float on the water. Now what we have to do? Shake vigorously that bottle. Okay, close the bottle, put the lid and shake vigorously the bottle. After some time we feel that both water and oil gets mixed. But again, if you keep that bottle on the table undisturbed, after some time again you will see that oil will be floating on the water. Now next what we have to do? Take a few drops of the solution of detergent. How you will prepare the solution of detergent? Yeah, normal solution, in a water you will add some powder. Okay, detergent powder we have to add, and the detergent solution will be formed. We have to add 2 to 3 drops of detergent solution to the mixture of oil and water. Again we have to shake the bottle vigorously. Now this time you will see that the water and oil have become homogeneous. Okay, homogeneous mixture. Earlier also I have explained you, that is uniform mixture, means you cannot separate out two constituent of that solution. Okay, that is called as the homogeneous mixture. So water and oil become homogeneous and the color of mixture appears milky. Okay, the color becomes milky in solution. Okay, so why does this happen? Okay, why that milky color is acquired by the solution? To understand this, we are going to see one diagram. Okay, how detergent acts. Action of detergent. You can see in the figure there are white colored molecules of waters are shown and molecules of detergent. Now how these molecules of water get attached to the particle or the molecules of the oil, okay, with the help of detergent. Let us discuss the theory first. Now what happened? The molecule of detergents are long and the properties of its two ends are different, means both the ends are different for the molecules of detergent. As you can see that both the ends, okay, in the figure I have shown you that the molecule of water and molecule of detergent, they are attached to each other. A molecule of detergent holds on to a molecule at one end and oil molecule at other end. So the molecule of detergent powder is having capacity, it have a different properties. At one end it holds the water and another end it holds the oil, correct. Now what happened, as a result the molecule of oil mixed with the water. This is how soap acts when we wash our selves or our soil clothes. Means whenever we add the soap solution, or we are using soap solution to clear the oil, to clear the dirt, what happened, this detergent molecule on one end, oil molecules get absorbed, on another end water is been there, okay, and as a result that oil molecules which are present in the water, they get attached to the detergent molecule. Then, due to the property of holding on to both oil and water, soap water spread easily on many types of surfaces. Therefore, even you take the soap solution and you pour on the tiles, you pour on the glass, you can see it is smooth in spreading. Easily it gets spreaded. Okay. So, the property of a substance of spreading on a surface, it's called surface activity, and the substance is said to be surfactants. Okay, so two new words are there. The property of a substance of spreading on a surface is the surface activity, and the substance is said to be surfactant. Now detergents are surface active, that is they are having surface activity, and one effect of surface activity is lather formation. So in part 5 we are again going to continue with the discussion of the action of detergents. I was explaining that the property of a substance of spreading on a surface is called surface activity, and the substance is said to be surfactant. And as you know that the lather formation, foam, okay, formation is the main property of detergents. It depends on what quantity or what concentration of soap or detergent is present in the solution. Again, as you can see in the diagram, whatever we have learned in how detergent acts, again let me explain you with the help of picture. In the picture you can see the round shaped molecule of detergent is present over there, correct. Then orange colored particle is of oil particles. Now you can see that round colored molecule of detergent, what it is been explained, it has the property that at both the ends it can attract water as well as it can attract oil. So on the one end of detergent, this water molecule is been held, and another end the oil molecule is been attached. Now what happened, when our body or cloth becomes oily for different reasons, okay, for applying gels, creams, oiling our hair, etc., then oily layer sticks fast to the crisscrossing threads of materials of our clothes. Okay. Now soap is used for removing it. To remove the oil from cloth, we use the soap solution or detergent. Now, due to the property of holding on to both oil and water, soap water spread easily on our cloth. Okay, and because of this spreading, what happens after some time, if you rub that solution, there is a lather formation. Okay, now and when you do that, when the lather formation is there, and then again you wash off the cloth with normal water, along with that detergent, the oil particles which were present on the cloth, they get attracted to the detergent, and once you wash that cloth with the water, that detergent gets washed away. and along with the detergent, oil molecules are also washed off. So this is how the action of detergent takes place. So in this part we have understood the action of detergents, means how actually the detergents or shampoos or liquid soaps which we are using in our day-to-day life, how they acts. So it's very small schematic representation of action of detergents, or we can say the how detergent acts. Now in next part we are going to learn the different types of detergents. Okay, which are the different types, what are the different example of those types, that we will learn in our next part. Thank you very much. Lesson number 15, part 6, materials we use. In this one, in last video, we have learned the action of detergents. Today, we are going to learn next part, that is different types of detergents. There are three types of detergents present: natural detergents, man-made detergents and synthetic detergents. Let us see the types of detergents one by one. First we are going to learn natural detergents. As we have seen in the introductory part of detergents that there are different types of natural detergents present. Which are those? Like soap nut, which is also called as Rita. You can see in the figure that brown color down part, they are called as the soap nuts. Okay, like a nut, they are round in shape, brown color round in shape, and inside that soap nut the black color seed is been there. Whenever you want to use that soap nut or Rita, we have to break that seed, brown colored seed, brown colored Rita or no, soap nut, and inside whatever seed is in there, that we have to remove, and that brown colored covering of that soap nut we have to boil in the water. Whenever we soak that outer covering of soap nut in the water, the soapy solution, if you touch the water, that solution, that water, it will be soapy solution, and if you shake it vigorously, there is the formation or lather formation which will be there. Same way, soap pods are also called as the natural detergents. Most of the time these soap nuts and soap pods, nowadays if you read the constituents of herbal shampoos, okay, so these soap nuts and soap pods are the important ingredients of these herbal shampoos. They contain a chemical named saponin, okay, because of the chemical which is present there, that is called as saponin, and because of this saponin that lather formation takes place. Okay, so soap nuts and soap pod do not have any harmful effect on skin or silk or any woolen threads and cloth. Means it can be used for both. Okay, it can be used for any small child, for any grown up person. It is safe for everyone. So these soap nuts, soap pods, these are the examples of natural detergents. Next part that we are going to learn is synthetic detergents. Okay, now synthetic detergents have taken place of the soap. Okay, means in our day-to-day life mostly we make use of soaps. Okay, what are the synthetic detergents? They are the powders, okay, which include the long structural units, and they are obtained from the raw materials which are mainly fats or kerosene. Detergents are obtained by subjecting or taking these raw materials and carry out different chemical processes on these raw materials, and because of that chemical processes synthetic detergents are formed. Now synthetic detergents are also used in many types of cosmetics. Okay, and one more use of this synthetic detergent is what? the synthetic detergents can be used in hard water as well. Now you know the concept of soft water and hard water. Okay, what is the soft water? It's the normal water in our day-to-day life which we get from the municipal connection. It's a soft water. And hard water is normally, for example, if you want to take, it's the borewell water that we observe or that we obtain from the earth's crust, from the deep inside the land. We just have to bore the well, and from that whatever water we are getting, that is hard water. What is the difference between hard water and soft water? The hard water contains many salt. Okay, it has the different salts which are not good for the consumption. Okay, it is, that's why it's not called, it's not a potable. Okay, whereas uh, uh, with respect to soap or detergent, if you want to differentiate, the in hard water soaps do not dissolve easily. Means even if you use the soap and take a bath with the hard water, lather formation will not take place. Whereas for synthetic detergents, they can be used in hard water as well. Means even the water quality, any type of water is there, synthetic detergents can be used. So this was all about synthetic detergents. Now as per the use of these detergents, there are several different detergents available in the market, and as per the use, the different colors, different perfumes or dyes, alcohol, germicides, anti-foaming agents are added to the detergent. Okay, that for example, you nowadays you might be observing different advertisements, and you know that they claim, okay, this soap, it contains the C vitamin. Somebody says that this soap contains the fragrance. Some says that it contains some that oil vitamins. Okay, so basic base of the detergent is same. Only thing, as per the need, different colors, perfumes, dyes, alcohol, germicides, anti-foaming agents, such things are added. They are mixed with the different detergents, and that categorize them as per their uses. Okay, means for example, if you in our day-to-day life we have the Dettol sabun. Okay, so Dettol soap, what they are claiming, that it have the germicides, it have the properties to kill the microorganisms. Now every soap has the property, but then when they are claiming the soaps like Lifebuoy or the Dettol or Savlon soap, they germicides. What are germicides? The solutions which kills the microorganisms. The quantity, the concentration will be more in those soaps. So as per the needs, where it has to be used, the additives are added. If it is a baby soap, okay, then for baby soaps, such harsh dyes or alcohol or germicides cannot be added, because baby's skin is very soft and it has to be taken very care for that skin. Therefore mild soap for babies are available in the markets. So as per the need, the supporting additives are added. Lesson number 15, part 7. Next part we are going to talk about is man-made detergent. So we have started with the detergent, different types of detergent. What I told you, first one was natural detergent, then synthetic detergent, and third type is man-made detergent. Now in man-made detergent, we are going to learn the example of man-made detergent is soap. Okay, so what is soap? Soap is a man-made detergent which has been in use since ancient times. It is believed that soap was invented in the West about 2000 years ago, but in those days soap was prepared using animal fats and wood ash. Today we come across variety of soaps. Okay, you are familiar with the variety of soaps. As I told you, in market there are the different types of the soaps are available. Okay, medicinal, some are having medicinal values, some are having good fragrance, some are good for babies. Okay, some are good for or some are enriched with the some vitamins, some are enriched with particular what you say antibacterial or germicidal solution. So various kinds of soaps are available. Now there are two types of soaps. Okay, we can call them as a hard soap and soft soap. So what do you mean by hard soap? The hard soap is used for washing clothes and soft soap is used for bathing purpose. Means in our day-to-day activities, the powders which we use for washing clothes, okay, hard soap, that are detergents, powders, washing powders, and one comes in the form of soap. Okay, you know there are the different companies available which provides the hard soaps and they are used for washing clothes. We never use the soap which we use for washing clothes for bathing purpose, okay, because it is very harsh. We can't use that hard soaps for your skin. So we have to use the another soaps that are called as the soft soaps. Now what is the difference between those? The hard soaps, okay, or the soaps which are used for washing clothes, it is a sodium salt of fatty acids. Now actually what is the main ingredient of this soap? The fatty acids. Okay, there is a presence of fats and acids. They are called as the fatty acids. And what is the difference between those fatty acids? The hard soaps are the sodium salt. Okay, it contains the sodium, and soft soaps are the potassium salts of fatty acids. It does not cause the irritation of the skin. Soft soaps, whenever we use, that potassium is not at all harmful for skin. And in the hard water of a well or tube well, soap does not give lather form but it forms scum. Okay, suppose if you go to certain village areas or outskirt areas where municipal water is not available, then what happen? If you take the borewell water and try to wash your face, even if you apply the soap to your face, soap you apply, but the lather formation will not take place, but your face will become sticky little bit. Okay, so that stickiness is because of the formation of scum. Scum is nothing but the sticky or not exactly sticky also, but you will feel that your face is not at all clean or it is not cleaned properly, and it is because of scum formation on your face or on your skin. So that is the difference between soft soap and hard soap. Correct. Soap loses its cleansing property in the hard water because it forms the scum. It does not give the lather, and if it is not forming lather, we have seen how the detergent acts. So that action will not take place, and as a result the part which you want to clean will not become properly cleaned. So that is the difference between hard soap and soft soap. So this was all about types of soaps. Now in next video we are going to learn how the soaps are made at home. Preparation of soap at home means you can try, if you get the chemicals, then we can try this method at home, that is a preparation of soap. Lesson number 15, materials we use, part 8. In this part 8 we are going to see how the soap is prepared at home. The material required for the method is 15 grams of sodium hydroxide, 60 ml of coconut oil, 15 grams of salt, perfume as per your need, a glass rod, a beaker, tripod, wire gauze, burner, water, mold, etc. Okay, so these all are the materials. If they are available, you can make the soap at home. What we have to do first, take 60 ml of coconut oil in a beaker, right? And then Dissolve 15 grams sodium hydroxide in 50 ml of water. Sodium hydroxide, they are present in a powder form or pellets form, like small flat crystals. Okay, so that sodium hydroxide we have to add in 50 ml of water and make the solution. Mix this sodium hydroxide solution in the oil slowly while stirring it with the glass rod. Means in a beaker we have to take oil, and from above we have to pour sodium hydroxide solution, and whenever we pour the solution we have to stir it continuously. Heat the mixture and boil it for 10 to 12 minutes. Stirring it all the while, means whenever it is boiling, you don't have to just wait. You have to stir it continuously. Then whenever this mixture is getting heated, we have to dissolve 15 grams salt in 200 ml of water, and then this solution has to be poured in the above mixture, that is salt and oil and sodium hydroxide mixture, and stir it. The soap formed by this chemical reaction now floats on the water. After some time it becomes thick. Whenever it gets cooled, it becomes thick, and then we can separate the thick soap and add the perfume, add the color, and we can put it into the mold as per our requirement. So this is how we can make the soap at home as well. So we can try making this soap at home, okay, if the things are available. Now next part we are going to discuss is cement production. Now you know that cement, where you have seen the cement, is a black colored substance. Okay, it is an important material which is used for construction purpose. Different sheets, blocks, pillars and pipes are made from the concrete produced from the cement. It's sometimes greenish, sometimes grayish in color. Correct. Now this cement is made from sand or silica, aluminum oxide, lime, iron oxide and magnesium oxide. So this cement is totally man-made material. It's a chemical and it is made in the company company using these ingredients. Which are the ingredients used? Silica, alumina or aluminum oxide, lime, iron oxide and magnesia or magnesium oxide. These all materials are mixed to form the or to make the cement. Now based on these constituents, the cements are of different type. Right? Portland cement is most commonly used cement for construction work. Means most of the people use this Portland cement. What is that Portland cement means? It is made from raw material. It consists of 60% lime, 25% silica and 5% of aluminium, and the rest is iron oxide and gypsum. This Portland cement gets its name from the stone quarried from Isle of Portland in England, which has a similar texture. Okay, so this constituents of the cements are same, only their proportion changes, and based on that changes the names are given to the cement. In ancient times the Romans had made cement as well as concrete. Okay, now you might have heard this word concrete many times. The slabs, it is been just, you might have heard whenever construction works are going on, that concrete is being made to put the slabs of building. So what is that concrete? Concrete, actually it was initially used by Romans. What they used? Aqueous cement by mixing volcanic ash in moistened lime. Correct. Volcanic ash means the ash which is required from the bursting of the volcanoes. Okay, so as this ash was derived from the volcanoes, it was very durable cement, means long lasting cement. With the decline of Roman Empire, this art of making cement was also forgotten. And again, afterward, in 18th century, the British engineer John Smeaton developed the method of making aqueous cement. Nowadays, concrete is prepared by mixing cement, water, sand, and gravel. Gravel means the uh, thick sand, you can say. Okay, so that for making strong and leak proof slabs, which concrete has to be used. So here in this lesson we have learned certain man-made materials like toothpaste, cement production, soap production, detergents in short. Okay, we have just gone through the description and the uses of these substances. So here we are ending with the lesson number 15, materials we use. So you go through the lesson, read it properly, and whichever concept you are unable to understand, you can again watch the video and try to understand it. And even again, if you don't understand, you can ask or call us and ask your queries. Thank you very much.